Day 4.
Rainbow Diner.
Rainbow Drive-In for Reki. Look at his new hat. He got scalp burn. Got some, what's it called, the sausage?
Arabiki sausage.
Okay.
Japanese.
Just some light brekkie because we just had an acai bowl and then I got the Kai latte down the street. Really good. So cute. Alright, we got the rental car. It's a Turo rental. It's a Mini Cooper S convertible. Okay, let's go. See. You gonna show the top down? Hi. Yeah. Very good. Yay! Let's go! Let's fucking go! Seatbelt. Okay, starting this hike. We're like, where is it? And it has a little start sign there. Alright, it's supposed to be 30 minutes up, 30 minutes down. Let's go fast. Oh, this isn't even the top. Come up. Okay. We're at the top of the pillbox. Hi.
And I'm always waiting for your call, but I don't know you don't want me sometimes. So I'ma run you out many girls, but you're always ignoring them. I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me.
Say hi.
Oh, stop. I thought it goes to the other side.
That you like me.
We're at Obama's favorite beach, Lanikai. We just finished the hike. Just walked like a few minutes down to the beach. It's really nice. Like the sandy stuff, but it's so much smaller. That's where we were earlier. We made it. It's so cool here. We were looking at this the whole time we were driving, and then we're actually here now. It's like in the background the whole time. Very good. Good driving, babe. Oh, a horse! Look at all the horses at the ranch. Hi. There's so many of them. There's a whole stable over there. Some of the tours you can ride the horses and go around. Pretty cool. But we're doing the ATV Raptor tour. Gearing up. Waiting for the tour to start. horse riding tour that's kind of just passing us here. Oh, look how fast that one is. Is that the tour guide? Yeah.
Oh, the horse walk would be nice.
Second pit stop. I guess this is where they filmed Jurassic World.
One more time. Welcome to Ka'ava Valley, or as we say in Hawaiian, Ikomo Mai Ka'ava. Welcome to Ka'ava.
Oh, the mountain's so pretty. Baby out here. Oh, look at my dirt face here. Ew. To Leonard's for the masaladas. Yeah, we just got 3 little things. Thank you. It's like the side of the parking lot. It's gonna be hot. Which one's this one? Original?
Wow.
This one's custard. Okay, we got this French onion soup. Let's crack it. Oh. Spoon it. It's supposed to be like really cheesy. Okay, look at this crazy ass seafood thing. I don't know why they need this much ice
Lobster
though.
claw, lobster tail, shrimp, oysters.
Ooh, I like the oyster.
Sashimi.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice. Horse. We got one order, but they split in half.